We all know it's the most important meal of the day, but it's so easy to overlook. Hi, I'm Alexa Sparkman, and today we're going to talk about easy bachelor breakfast. First of all, let's talk about cooking eggs in the microwave. One of the easiest things to do is to take a carton of liquid eggs, and even now you can get the liquid eggs that are mostly egg whites with a little bit of yolk mixed in for flavor, but still consider it heart healthy. You take the liquid eggs and you pour it into a microwave safe cup. I have a custard cup here, but you can also use a microwave safe coffee cup. Anything will do. You're going to add a little bit of cooking spray to keep the egg from sticking. Fill it up about a third of the way. Pop it in the microwave for a minute on high. Turn it over 30 seconds to a minute more, and you've got a cooked egg that you can put in an English muffin with a little bit of cheese, and you've got your muffin ready to go. Another thing we can do is a quick and easy oatmeal. They've even got oatmeal that all you have to do is add water. You've already got your container. Use a plastic spoon. The dishes are done. Just toss it all away. Again, something important to remember about breakfast is that fruit is always important. It's a good way to go. There are several things we can do with fruits to make breakfast quick and easy. One of the things you might want to consider, either using fresh or frozen fruits and making a sweet fruit smoothie. Put the fresh or frozen fruit in a blender, add a little bit of milk, a little bit of yogurt, blend, a few cubes of ice, you're good to go. And that's how to do quick, easy, healthy breakfast. I'm Alexa Sparkman. Until next time.